This is the marina portion. Oh, we could have gone. I could have gone down that way. You can get on one of his boats and just, that's a Doha boat, I think, Alexandria, and just come down that way. Look at all those boats. So hot to the point of discomfort. I'm also blogging. Yeah.
As a tourist.
Yeah. I actually have a YouTube channel.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Nice, nice. How are you holding up? Hey.
Yeah.
It's difficult, I'm telling you. With the heat.
It's the heat that's
something
making it difficult.
It makes it grow.
When I can also vlog.
Right.
So oh, this is a blessing from God. You get this little breeze. Yeah. Man, you're my new hero, man.
God knows exactly what we need.
Yeah, he does. That's so true.
What we need.
That's so true. He said God knows exactly what we need. He said God knows exactly what we need when we need it. That is so true. You go and sleep good on the airport, on the airplane though.
I know. I'm going to pass out.
Yeah, yeah.
I've been all over the place.
I know.
Suitcases, I'm so tired.
I know that's going to be true for me too. I'm just going to sleep like a baby.
I'm so tired, but I said no.
You just keep moving. Yeah. We're almost there at the coffee shop.
Yes.
She said 100 meters. That's life. When you're close to your goal, sometimes you want to give up. Oh, it's this way. That's it right there. That's the beach. Just walk slow.
Nice. I think I see it. Is it?
Yeah, I see it now. That's the beach right there. It's really an artificial beach. It is incredibly hot. I mean,
I don't think I've ever experienced this heat.
yeah, and I'm supposed to be from Africa. This heat is something. Yeah, I think he works on all of them. That's a beach shuttle. So maybe we'll get it. We'll get the beach. I'll get the big beach shuttle back. Because this is far. Yeah, don't try this at home on a hot day. Okay, this is the beach, finally. Finally, this is the beach. Yeah, it's like man-made beach. Because this is just, used to all be desert. Okay, I'll see you soon. So now you can get to see the beach. This is like the wonder of the world. A beach. In the middle of the desert. These are the surrounding buildings. If you like this part of the video, please go on and comment, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. Over and out.